There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, y'all? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And you already know it's your girl A, and we came to slay today. What's up, y'all? So first of all, I hope you're all having like a really great day when you're watching this video, okay? And I hope y'all are just staying out the way, staying positive, motivated, and minding your business, you know, all that good stuff, okay? So what's up, everybody? Thank you for coming back. I'm glad to see you, and I hope y'all are glad to see me, okay? So we're about to do an easy, affordable wig. It's a pre-everything, and y'all know I rocks with this company all the time. Now, I wanted to show proof that, look, this is the packaging. I did not open the box, okay? So we are going to open the box, and we're going to put this pre-everything wig on. Y'all already know who I'm talking about, but I'm just going to surprise y'all real quick. Okay, and y'all see that pink coming through? That pink is shining through. All right, y'all. So y'all already know it is UNICE, where you can get the best of the best of the best for less. Amazon Prime, get you your nice wig on time, girl. What's up? When I tell you they got the best of the best of the best for less, baby, they got the best of the best of the best for less. Comes with the melting band and an HD wig cap because they want to make sure that you're prepared to look cute, okay? Or more cuter than what you already do. She is one of those pre-everythings, you know, 13 by 4 pre-everything, 24 inches. This is one of their straight to wavy units. I am so excited about this because I didn't even know that UNICE carry these type of wigs. You know, when it's straight like this and then you spritz water on it and it gets wavy, girl, yes, we're about to really do it, okay? I'm really excited about this, especially because I didn't have to straighten it after it already came curly. All I got to do is put her on, show you how straight she is, and then use my products right here, and then we good to go. Girl, listen, let's get into this unit. She is a 13 by 4 pre-everything, already been bleached, lace already been cut, tape already been there, applied. Also does come with some tape as well. In the nape, you will see there is a comb, an adjustable strap, as well as there are combs on the sides of the unit. And the best of the best is the drawstring. Girl, say less. The best of the best of the best. So this is 24 inches, and the texture is like a silky texture. But girl, once we add some water to it, she's gonna be curly and good to go. Let's get into this wig.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one. And if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew. Like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me. And I wish somebody would've should've worn it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it.
So this is what she's looking like. Straight, she's sleek, she's styled. You can definitely wear her like this if you choose to. Plenty of parting space. Definitely HD Swiss lace. So she's going to be invisible the whole way through. Girl, all I did was just repart her. Y'all know I don't really do too many middle parts, and give her some sideburns. But we're about to see how she looks when she's curled.
Remember of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't look beside going afloat. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When the baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Girl, did this come out cute or what? Did this come out cute or what? I thought that I was going to have to spend all day drenching this with water. Let me just tell y'all this. The easiest way to get the waves is just to co-wash it. Because if you use one of these, girl, listen, you're going to be there for a minute. It did wave up though. It did wave up really good, but I used almost all of the water in here. Now keep in mind, I do have conditioner in here with the water, so that way it doesn't dry the hair out. But baby, the best way for you to get the waves is just to co-wash it, because they will definitely be way more popping than this. But it's cool to see that it will wave up like this. I love a good wig. Girl, when you can get a wig and you can make her straight and then wave her up, baby, do it like it should be day. I told y'all, UNICE be having the nice of the nice of the nice, the best of the best of the best for less. You can go on Amazon and get you a nice wig. Girl, I remember when wigs first came out, there was no trusting Amazon. But now that we have great vendors like UNICE on there, girl, Amazon Prime, get you a UNICE wig on time. I'm telling you, super affordable. 24 inches, she can go from straight to wavy to straight. 24 inches, 13 by 4, 3 combs, adjustable strap, and a drawstring. Everything. Girl, what more are you asking for? This is all that you need in a wig. She's budget friendly. Girl, listen, check out UNICE. I told y'all, they have the best of the best for less. UNICE be having nice stuff. I'm telling you, they nice, their prices are nice, their wigs are nice. You're gonna look nice after this whole process. Girl, listen, need I say more? So check them out. I will leave all the deets down below. And if you stay to the end, please leave a pink heart in the comments, as well as hype this video up for me. I would truly appreciate it if you hype this video up, so that way we can stay in the algorithm and other ladies and gents, divas and divos, could join us over here on this channel. So I love you all. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay diva and divolicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, she